and welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Dream Mission holds meeting to address youth drug addiction. BSF seizes smuggled goods worth over rupees 2.13 crore on India-Bangladesh border. Mother and infant found dead in water tank in Langtor village. And Shillong Medical College to begin soon, says Dr. Ambari. And now the news in detail. On March 3rd, Francis Khashiyeng, the mission director of the Dream Mission, met with parents of children suffering from drug addiction in Nongsten, Shillong and Maungap. A total of 20 parents attended the meeting to discuss ways to support their children's recovery. Khashiyeng emphasized that the purpose of the gathering was to help parents overcome the shame and stigma of having children affected by drug addiction. He announced that 5 individuals have proposed the establishment of rehabilitation centers to aid in youth recovery with government support for these initiatives. Khashiyeng acknowledged the challenges in running such centers, highlighting the need for supervision, care and skill development. The mission director also stated that the government is committed to eradicating drug use, with the police and village defense parties (VDP) joining forces to combat the issue. Future meetings with youth organizations, school principals and educators will focus on tackling drug abuse in the community.
Meeting Samla meeting Hakunu Khuborjylla banyak and drugs activities
and drugs balong
drugs ang nido heroin wat kadi dengan ba kajing mak ba khrau ba tinggi yang persang dia si ini nya chmat ba na krimen ba po arsnem ite ngan seperti ngin kasoka seperti kisal
Rai kadang ni am kajing discuss
kita ni kita discussion kita tegi nakalian ki polis ya keren ni kita kita ni kita penyak ke rehab ni kamnong mo penyak hospital tu beri upang stom sup di ada wai dia kedon ki doktor ki don ki rehab ngala ada like li rehab center ngala kedu makan kesin beningkong mengai kabajenja ba penyak dia kamde ke bakar kamde ke sup penyak ki ba nampang tu tenteng ki jumlah penyesya jumlah ni kami itu rumah kami kabalong problematik ba di inu ba nong penyak rehab dia kamu kedi kam krau ba kedi kam ba kam sang de da kajim ai min sim jongi mentak lami te kisan te ngi kerman ba ini trai lang ba ka sarkar kan ai support kan service ni ke issue ba government bagi dia ai full support ini rehab kalau rukom ni la le sarkar kalau don lupa skim life war haja ai no kibawan kena kibawan nak dia kebibian ke support kan but dia gi rehab suni ai support but bun gi rehab skiba kena abaduk you ai free treatment.
Between February 16th and March 2nd, the Border Security Force BSF successfully seized smuggled goods valued at over rupees 2.13 crore from camps along the India-Bangladesh border. In addition to these seizures, the BSF has conducted various community initiatives, including job training programs, sports events, free medical checkups, and the distribution of medicines to border villages. These efforts have garnered strong support and cooperation from the local population. Over the past 2 months, the BSF has also intercepted 143 cattle being smuggled into Bangladesh. The enhanced presence of BSF personnel at border posts has significantly eased concerns for residents for the border areas, providing much-needed security and relief. In a tragic incident, the bodies of Kong Darisha Lingdokkanshi and her 2-month-old baby were discovered in a water tank in Langtor village. The mother and child had been missing since the evening of March 1st, 2025. After an overnight search by the family, they alerted the police when no traces were found. On March 2nd, the bodies were discovered in the water tank at around 9 a.m., prompting an investigation by the police. The family filed a complaint at the Mairang police station and the bodies were sent to Nigram's Shillong for post-mortem. Relatives have expressed suspicions that the deaths were not accidental and may have been the result of foul play, possibly by individuals with malicious intentions. They urged law enforcement agencies to conduct a thorough investigation, apprehend the perpetrators and ensure that justice is served.
Trong lòng cùng nghi là cái những cái xem như đan cái ta cái những snow pajano cái những snow tu này như này para mà bang qua mà mình là phải quay balik itu semua dia kena para jangan meran ngesikun dan lalu pun barang rid mau kila du semua bat para kami ini ikon ma ba uang ba ide ta ikon jong itan de kena para jangan ka kami ba de pa jong ne long ma enang taru sabat long ngi ngasem pernem udang ditin pernem kayaknya ngi kibahi ngasemnya ka para jangan ba bakam dei pen ai pa ne de kun jong uma te ina kalyang kayang ngasem te ngidan ka jinta ma ba kan ka para te ka dei long ka ang hak ba uday para jangan ra dei para ka ba yang ngejebut sing pakhat ma kini kisngi kiba kan sa ijin ta na nangi kiba yung sem say wa ang sigit to kam kan jok ti na kiba yung sem pa ken ko ba ngan de sina ba ngan wan sina ti sa kan sanda minsa lap ya ta met kabatan ta po bum bat ikon ibadang ti ida saya arpanan ta kisngi pengen yang kayang kasemte long pa mai Khuborjylla ka ay ba kan tray ka hak mo ba hadu bang nalab ikta kinang like kam speak man sa ko sitong juria o kan sitong juria ka jingle peman jingle pom senyaw kan dia ketigim simbri mo puno at shape tamle ni long tagi ki khun swet bala I me menta sa kanila para ko wan jagum ne mo ini yang nasa mi daw long tang tingin pero kibaduk mo kibajingjat dengan paro yung odo kini kikan ki ini seng malang na deng kidan ka masim siapa yarap lang yang kayang kasamuri kendo ikini gijing hindi kan yarap no kan ain sim lang yang ai kuledo ikini ki pulis pandan ki balayarap dia dah dah beja dia kejadian tu bas tang kini kikan.
On Monday, Dr. Ampreen Langtor, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, announced that work is underway for the resumption of doctoral studies at Shillong Medical College following approval from the National Medical Commission (NMC). The minister made the statement in response to a question raised by the leader of the opposition, Dr. Samla, during the question hour in the Legislative Assembly. The approval marks a significant step toward enhancing medical education in the state, with the resumption of doctoral programs expected to contribute to the development of healthcare professionals.
So that is the first thing. It is a brownfield project. We did not require to institute a new hospital. We needed to look at the infrastructure that is already available. The manpower is already available. We've designated the research department to also be the academic department. So these are the major administrative decisions that had to be taken. So now we need to look at the number of beds as per NMC criterions. So we've said there was no need to invest so much money. If you remember in the earlier proposal, there was a big financial implication. And to operationalize this medical college in Shillong, there was no need for us to invest. There were committees instituted. There were studies conducted. There was a lot of debate and discussion already initiated on this matter. Cost of the course of medical studies. The moment you say private institution, we will always look at what is this private institution asking for. So we understand that there is anxiety and anxiousness, but the department is on the job. We've done the affiliations with NEHU. That was also required. And then we've looked now at what are the infrastructure requirements. What is the cost that will be actually incurred to develop a brownfield project of this kind. So then we've also looked at when is the NMC coming? Are we ready for the NMC to come? We've gone ahead and we've looked at the requirement of professors. We've gone ahead and we've sat in the cabinet to look
Leaders of the FKJGP, after visiting the Polytechnic in Mauritius, West Khasi Hills, met with the Deputy Commissioner, Garrett L.S.N. Dykes, to seek clarification on the prolonged idleness of the school. Ananstar Penlang, Vice President of FKJGP, revealed that the Government of India, through the Ministry of Human Resource Development, MHRD, had allocated special funds for the construction of the Polytechnic back in 2009. During the meeting, the DC informed the FKJGP leaders that the funding scheme from the central government had expired, and now it is the responsibility of the state government to address the needs of the school. In response, the FKJGP leaders urged the state government to take swift action and complete the construction of the Polytechnic to benefit the youth of the region. They emphasized the urgent need for the educational facility to help improve opportunities for local students.
Politik building kepada nanti apa Malaysia bahapa apa kan nostoi tahu di nagaling kejongi nilayo banyak keren batu disi di hati kecil keren kecil pancing saya jongi nagaling keseng audisi kelong ba kai ke ban perlong ya kanika school polytechnic ban I khoreng koptai ke bagalong mentah di nagaling kejongi ru ila pensai yangi kum keseng ba ya kanika benta ngilak bodong ka phase 1 ani ka scheme jong ka de lengba ka Ministry of Human Resources Development bala bahak da ka sokar pedeng daudu usne marja arja kendai kwasu sakut no kumto namar ba legitipi ba ka jing social ani hapo kari ke jui ka long kupta na ka daw ki elections ba per hadin kata nagaling jong di siru la panchai hangi ba ya kanika ju ka scheme ko bede ka nika polytechnic building ko don tai po Malaysia nagaling jong DC ula panchai hangi ba nagaling ka sarkar jalaru kalawan hapo district administration ban dom jingtip ne ban penlong dagan sendon daga ka committee ka state committee ban ra ya ka report ka bede ka nika entah di kumtahi ka jing panchai nagaling DC ban nagaling jongi ko sek isno ban hak Khubor siya ko sarkar ba ka sarkar ka dei ban pakhat ka dei ban le kham karki ya ka ne ka kam ka bide ka ne ka polytechnic building ka badon ne po Malaysia ne po Langtor ka jongi namar kumba I ba ka ne ka chup ka jongi ka bangta ikun Samla mo I haban mi nama ka jong lek district ban lek puli sikiwe ki district dan sikiwe ru ki jalla wat sabar jong jalla mi kliaru tel yolasi kadai ka polytechnic kadai ka jingger khu na ka batai kun Samla jong dong ka thai ka jongi but kamtam he jong district jongi.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.